This is our campsite. A couple of small waterfalls over there. And then we got a big one over here. Another little grill over there. Table.
Great juxtaposition between that and mine.
Yep. And then we got this weird structure over here. It's kind of a shelter of sorts. Little sketch spider's nest. Yeah, this road was a hoot. It's 2.5 or 2.1 miles of bumpiness and gravel and all that. The temperature is perfect. It's like 65 degrees right now. The bugs are going away. We're about to make some sausage. Started a fire. Not so bad. We're kind of glamping because we got an outhouse. I might move my tent. We'll see. Little sink. Sweet. That's it. That's what we got. Alright. I'm gonna put the camera away. Chill out. So weird. The screen is flashing red. Look.
Oh, the refresh.
Yeah. So we are on our way to Circle E Diner in Hancock. A little lap of luxury. Jan came through in a sick rental. It'll be the best vlog ever. It'll be my breakout hit. This one. Mark my words. Waiting for the eggs and hash browns.
Thank you very much.
Oh, awesome. That's great.
Can I get you anything? Hot sauce, jelly?
Hot sauce.
Maybe
would be
some
nice.
hot sauce, yeah. We got eggs, sausage, hash browns.
He's
we got
the
Lucas over
annoying friend.
Thank you.
I'm the annoying friend. Our friends got from New York City are not going to believe our meal. 100% coming back to this campsite. Look at this beauty. This is situated on 400 acres. We just walk up that way. Yonder Don. Disturbing the peace. good lord. Somebody called the cops. So over here, I'm charging my little GoPro battery charging box with some solar.
Hey, look, some blue sky.
And yeah,
Peak right now.
the weather is changing. It was super overcast, but now there's hope. Starting a fire over here, away from the base. We got the waterfall. Gonna get down with some of these babies. Italian sausages, freshness guaranteed. Put them on the smoky thing. Eat them up with some bread, Italian bread. Going full Italian today, you know. And as a little treat, we got Peter Luger's steak sauce. The crew went up to get more firewood. I'm down here making sure nothing goes wrong. So happy with this location. I 100% want to come back here. This is serene. All right, come back to you guys when the sausages are cooking. You know what this means. I'm gonna put it over here where there's not much fire. Yeah, because the flames we don't need.
I gotta put a picture on.
Like that?
Yeah, you know what? Let's see what the.
Yeah. So yeah, we're cooking some sausage over here.
I feel like move this super further out.
Some hot Italians
Burn.
next to the waterfall. Simple things. Probably gonna be a few minutes. We got some bread. The sausages have been flipped. I'm sorry I'm in the shadow, but look at them. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. What do you think?
Ah, they look fun to me.
Huh? Get them. I'll get a plate. Oh, I think I'm putting on a plate board. Oh no, you're dripping everywhere. Savagery. There you go. Use the knife. Under pressure. Can't do it.
You want a hand?
Putting him on was difficult. Taking him off will take a miracle.
That's close.
Now we eat. And we got some bread. It's time for some veggie skewers and a little bit of meat. Corn, potatoes. We experienced a little bit of rain, but our spirits are still high. We're doing our best. Wish us luck.
We need to.
Alright, so we're about to have some steak and veggies and those skewers. You can see. And it's raining.
Getting rained on.
It's definitely raining.
Nothing from this side. Nothing to do with that. Nope. I'm gonna get wet anyway.
I bet you can't zoom in on it.
Nope.
But yeah, that's the bikes out there. That's the Beamer. The fire is struggling. That's the only. Can't see him. Like he's right there. Yonder Don. But yeah, that's the first time my bike ever been in the rain. It's getting moist. So, one person tent is way too small. I'm cramped in this little place. And it's been raining for the last 4 or 5 hours. Everybody went to sleep. I'm the last one to go. I'm gonna take off my shoes, call it a night.